I'm here with Cornel Ciocirlan, who's the Chief Technology Officer EMEA at ARRIS. Cornel, what effect are changes in consumer behaviour having on the overall demand for bandwidth from network providers?
Consumers are driving the growth in bandwidth consumption. First and foremost is people are streaming more and more video to their connected devices. There are more and more connected devices. We have, I think, our latest consumer entertainment index showed that the average is anywhere between 6 and 8 across the world. That's media entertainment devices that are connected to home Wi-Fi networks. And the number is growing every year. So people are streaming more and more. They're also, we have something like 69% of people are telling us that it's vitally important or very important to be able to stream in every corner of their house. To have good Wi-Fi access in every corner of their house. And we think that's clearly a fundamental shift in the way people consume entertainment that's driving bandwidth growth.
Now you mentioned Wi-Fi there. What can ARRIS provide to improve the Wi-Fi performance within the home?
Yeah, it's really a function of two things, right? One is bandwidth, increased bandwidth. And with that comes the increased range, right? Bandwidth is also a function of the distance between the client and the access point. So we're building better and better Wi-Fi gateways. That's one of the key drivers for a huge refresh. That's a refresh cycle that's starting in the wireless gateway space. So our products we've now integrated 802.11ac, and operators are in process of transitioning their subscribers to this new technology with 802.11ac, 3x3 or 4x4 or even 8x8 802.11ac in some cases. So bandwidth is fundamental, it's very important. The other element of that is the intelligence. That's the second dimension that you need to be able to add. So on that side, we're building new software stacks into our gateways that give us the capability, give us and the operators the capability to create wireless networks in the home, to add extenders easily and have those extenders and the main gateway, for example, seamlessly transition clients from one AP to another to make sure that the subscriber, the connected device is always getting the best bandwidth possible. So there's a lot of that intelligence that we're building into our products, or we've already built into our products. If you look at what's going to happen with Wi-Fi over the next couple of years, bandwidth will still continue to be important, but the intelligence around it will grow in importance and will become a key driver for operators and subscribers.
Looking at the smart home more generally, what do you think it's going to look like in 5 years' time?
The home 5 years from now, that's an interesting question. I think we're going to see the home will actually be served with gigabit access technology. Some sort of gigabit type of access technology will be offered to subscribers, whether it's DOCSIS 3.1, GPON or EPON technology. Subscribers will move to that type of speed, and there's really a race to 1 gigabit. We see that happening right now. So once we're there, I think the next challenge will be, or at the same time with that, there will be a challenge to pass that gigabit type speed within the home, and to ensure that in every corner of the home you can get that type of speed, and the subscriber can be using that service at that level. And it's not an easy challenge, right? It's at least as hard as bringing the bandwidth into the home. What we think is probably going to happen is we're going to have the home be structured as essentially a network of access points, of Wi-Fi wireless access points that are connected together via some sort of home backbone network that's multi-gigabit capable. So you have the backbone network, which it might be G.hn or home plug AV2 or MoCA in some cases, or even Ethernet, N-base-T Ethernet, for example. And that backbone network will be a multi-gigabit capable in-home backbone that then enables the Wi-Fi to be the traffic to be carried over Wi-Fi through these access points that are probably going to be, we're probably going to have one access point in every room 5 years from now. That's the only way really to ensure multi-gigabit speeds across the entire home, from the living room to the bedroom at the other end, right?
Cornel, thanks very much.
Thank you.